Welcome everyone. Today we will learn about sum of first n terms of an AP. So, as up to this point, we know what is AP and how to find nth term of an AP, that is Tn. Okay, so here we go. Sum of n terms of an AP is represented by Sn, where S is the sum and n is number of terms from the beginning. N is always considered from the beginning here in the formula for Sn. Okay, so consider this AP 2, 5, 8, 11, 14 and so on. Here A is 2, that is first term is 2 and common difference is 3. Okay, so S1 is sum of first term, which will be T1, which is 2. So then S2 will be sum of first two terms, that is 2 plus 5. Okay, so which is 7. Then sum of three terms will be 2 plus 5 plus 8, which is 15. Then sum of first four terms will be 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 4, which is 26. And sum of five terms will be 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. Okay, so which is 40. So in this order you will find Sn. Okay, so Sn will be T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to Tn. Okay, so likewise S10 will be T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus and so on up to T10. S100 will be T1 plus T2 plus T3 and up to T100. Okay, so next here consider this sum of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 100. Okay, so this is specially Carl Gauss's technique to find the sum. Okay, so here 1 plus 100 makes 101, 2 plus 99 makes 101, 3 plus 98 101, likewise 4 plus 97, 5 plus 96, then 6 plus 95, then 7 plus 94 and so on. There will be 50 plus 51 will be the last term. Okay, so try to understand this. 50 plus 51 is the last term, so total such pairs will be 50. Okay, so 50 pairs with total 101 will give you addition of 101 into 50, which is 5050. This is known as Carl Gauss's technique to find the sum. Carl Gauss has discovered this technique when he was in school. Okay, so this is very short technique to find the sum of n terms. Okay, so this is given in your textbook in very descriptively, so you can read this. To find the sum of n terms of an AP, you should know A and D, that is first term and common difference, or T1 and Tn, that is first term and last term. Okay, so formula to find the sum have there are two methods. Okay, so Sn formula is given as n upon 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Here you should know the value of n, a and d, right? So when you know a and d, you will make use of this formula. See here. And when you know T1 and Tn, that is first term and last term, you will simply use this formula. Sn is n by 2 T1 plus Tn, where T1 and Tn are first term and last term, n is the number of terms. Okay, so these two formulas are not different, they are same. We will see how they are same. So here the problem of Carl Gauss has solved this problem, so we will see that problem. Find the sum of first 100 natural numbers. So here AP is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and up to 100. First term A, which is T1, is 1. Last term is Tn, which is 100. N is 100, total number of terms, and common difference is 1, because 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1 and so on. Common difference D is 1. Now this formula of Sn equal to n by 2 T1 plus Tn. So here I have applied this formula because here I know first term and last term and total number of terms. So comparatively this formula will be easy to apply. So 100 upon 2, 1 plus 100, values of all the terms, and by solving this I will get as 100 equal to 5050. Okay, so second formula which was this one, a plus n minus 1d type formula, a and d. So here this formula, write down here Sn equal to n by 2 t1 plus tn. Now t1 is a and tn formula is a plus n minus 1d, right? I have just written the formula for tn, and another notation of t1 is a. So n by 2 is as it is n by 2. A plus a will be 2a plus n minus 1d, which is our first formula. Okay, so there are two choices to consider. You can make use of any formula which is comfortable to you. So I have solved this problem using this formula also. So you can see here, this was method 1. So Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. So n is 100, a is 1, d is 1, n is 100. Okay, so all the values, and by solving this you will get 50 into 101, which is 5050. So this is method 2. Okay, answer will be same, just the formula is slightly different. Now questions from the practice set 3.3. Question number 3, find the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350. So here you should first form the AP. So to write the solution, AP is 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on up to 348. So see here, even numbers between 1 and 350. So you cannot include 350 here. So the even number which is slightly smaller than 350 will be 348. So AP will be starting from 2 and ending with 348. Okay, so to find the sum of this AP, you know first term, last term and common difference. Okay, so I think you must have get the formula to use. So here T1 is 2, Tn is 348, D is 2. Only the unknown quantity is n, so we'll find n by using this formula of Tn. So Tn is a plus n minus 1d. So 348 equal to 2 plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, so by solving this you will get the value of n as 174. So here after finding n, we will now find Sn. Now value of n is 174, so we'll write 174. S174 will be 174 by 2 into 2 plus 348, so which is 174 upon 2 into 350. So by solving this, I have cancelled this 350 upon 2, so which is 175, and the multiplication answer is 30,450. Okay, so this is how the sum of all even numbers between 1 and 350 is find out. Now next, question number 6. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP is given 3300 and find its 28th term. Okay, so here sum is given, so S55 is 3030 or 3300 and T28 is to be find out. So write the formula Sn equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 d. Okay, so I have taken here this formula because we will, to find this T28, the formula for Tn is a plus n minus 1d, so we should know what is the value of a and d. So considering this, I have taken this formula which consists a and d. So by putting the value of n, the only value which we know is n here, so 55 by 2, 2a plus 55 minus 1 into d. So S55 is 3300, then this values, take here 2 common, which will cancel out to this 2. So 55 by 2 into 2, a plus 27d. So this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled, and this 55 will come here and divide this 3300. So here 60 equal to a plus 27d. So now we will find this value of T28. So use formula Tn. Tn equal to a plus n minus 1d. So T28 equal to a plus 27d, 28 minus 1. Okay, so T28 will be a plus 27d is 60. So write this equation 1, and by using 1 we will get T28 is 60. Okay, so from 1 the value of T28 is 60. So likewise here all the problems from practice set 3.3, I hope you can solve them. So here today we learned how to take sum of n terms in an AP, then how to apply the two formulae for Sn, and this is all required to solve the problems practice set 3.3. So here some problems question number 3 and 6 are discussed. So thank you for watching and keep solving.